Hey guys and gals, what's going on? It's your girl Shareen Nicole, and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I am going to be dyeing my hair, guys. That's right. I'm using Splat this time. This is not what I normally do. I was being lazy, so I'm just showing you guys the ingredients that it came with. So it comes with a reconstructor conditioner that you could put in afterwards. That's the actual size of the bottle. I did not even use the whole thing. You guys will see that later on. And of course it came with some cheap gloves. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Yep. So right here, I'm not even sectioning my hair. I'm literally, leaving. Okay, that's right. I had to go get a pair of scissors because I forgot the top has to be cut off. So I am going ahead and just applying that in there. Not getting it on the scalp. I did not read the instructions, guys. Read the instructions, okay? This stuff is messy. It sticks to everything, skin, clothes, you name it. It does it. It smells really good though. I will say that. So I'm just rubbing it in, just on the hair that was already pre-lightened. I had like a blonde at first, and then I had went brown, and now I am going red. So I did put some of it on the black, but it's not going to take onto the black hair. I like my hair two-toned anyways, so I really like the black into the red, and I think it looks good. So you guys just keep watching and you'll see what's going on. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm fresh out the shower, feeling good. I'm about to put this reconstructor in my hair. And boy, when I tell you that shower was a bloody mess. It was so red. But yeah, I'm just massaging this in while trying to keep my towel in place, because we don't want that falling down. So, yep, I'm massaging it in. It smells really good as well. I think the color came out phenomenal. I'm so happy. So I like Splat. We're going to see how long this lasts. Tell me what you guys think. I like the color. I think it came out great. And until next time, guys, peace.